Hey YouTube, it's Sean, Griffin RC Planes. Okay, forward programming, part 2, coming up now. We're going to pick out a flight mode channel so that when we flip our switch, we can have different flight modes. One of our flight modes is going to be for AS3X only. That is stability for the wind. Then when we flip our switch, it will go into our second flight mode, and we're going to have full safe select, which is leveling, and the AS3X. So, sit tight. This is Simba, by the way. He wanted a little air time. And let's get the NX6 out. And step 2. This is easy. Thank you guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. It goes a long ways. Simba would do it, but he doesn't have any thumbs. Alright, hey, sit tight. If you want to win a jet like this, all you have to do is subscribe. Click the like button and leave a comment. And then ring the bell so you don't miss my next video. At 1,000 subscribers, we gave this jet away. At 5,000, we're going to give another one. I don't know what it is yet. We'll see when that time comes. So hey, subscribe guys. Happy flying. All right, step 2 of our forward programming. So we've set the receiver orientation in the previous video. Let's go back into forward programming, back to gyro settings, and we need to first configure a flight mode. So flight mode setup. Now, flight mode 1 shows that AS3X is active. That's what we did when in flight mode 1, is we just turned on AS3X in all the default settings. But we want to have 2 flight modes, one with the AS3X and another one with AS3X and safe select. So scroll down to flight mode channel. Now you have to use a channel in order to turn safe on and off. You know, a channel is ailerons, elevator, that's 2 channels. Rudder is 3 channels. Throttle is 4 channels. If you have flaps, that would be 5 channels. If you have landing gear, that would be 6 channels. So, to turn safe select on and off, you would need a 7th channel if you had that configuration of airplane. The NX6 is a 6-channel transmitter, but it has a 7th hidden channel for the safe select. So we are going to, all right, flight mode channel. We're going to select there. Now, I don't have landing gear, so I like to use my channel 5, which is by default set to landing gear, and the A switch. The A switch is this one back here. You can pick your own switch and what channel you have. If you had the landing gear and the flaps like we talked about, then you're going to need to use aux2 and then pick another switch. So I'm going to go with channel 5 gear and the A switch. This on the left is what's available. Now over on the right, we're going to tell it what we're going to use. Select and I roll. Flight mode channel is gear. My input is A switch. The A switch. And then next. So our flight mode channel is now set up. You can see flight mode 3, flight mode channel, AS3X is active. I set it to this switch right here. When I flip it, it says flight mode 1, AS3X active. Okay. The reason it's going from flight mode 1 to flight mode 3 is because this is a 2-position switch. The signal it's sending is -100, and then when I flip it, it goes to +100. If it was a 3-position switch, it would go negative 100, 0, and then positive 100. In that case, it would be flight mode 1, 2, 3. I'm using a 2-position switch. I only have 2 flight modes, and it is the flight mode 1 and flight mode 3. Right now, both flight modes have AS3X active. So, go back. And we'll double check our flight modes. Flight mode 3, AS3X active. Flip the switch. Flight mode 1, AS3X active. Our flight mode channel has been spoken for. Step 3, coming up soon.